We're making pudding today. Jell-O pudding with Obvi's Kids Complete Protein. Fruity cereal for the win. Okay, Penelope.
Only me do it.
Only you do it.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, put that in there.
Okay, what's that?
That is pudding.
That's sugar too.
Good job. Okay.
Oh,
Do
yeah.
this. Only one. Okay. Oh, just one.
No.
Okay, that's it. Okay, put it back in there.
Oh.
It's okay.
Oh my God. Oh.
All right.
Milk.
Milk. Okay.
That's my favorite.
Do one.
Whoa.
Slowly.
So heavy.
Good job. Okay.
2.
2. Okay.
And 3.
3.
There are bubbles in there.
Yeah. And can you mix it now?
Yes.
All right. Remember to hold the bowl with one hand as you mix.